Today I'm making a chocolate chip Bundt cake with you. Super easy and really good. Make this delicious treat with me. Let's get started.
So first of all, in a bowl, I put the eggs, then I add the sugar and a bit of lemon zest. Please be gentle with the grater. Only take the yellow part, not the white part, which is bitter. Then I add a packet of vanillin. Everything with the electric mixer. Then I slowly add the oil. Okay, now I add the yogurt, preferably at room temperature. I also clean the spatula so I don't waste anything. And I continue with the beaters. And then in another bowl, I sift and add the flour. I add a pinch of salt and a packet of baking powder. Then I mix the dry ingredients well.
Now I combine
Dry ingredients.
to the liquids. Keep mixing with the beaters. By the way, just a reminder that my two cookbooks can only be found on Amazon worldwide. Search for Carlo Gaiano recipe book and you'll receive them within 2 days.
I add the chocolate chips and mix well. At this stage, I use the spatula. I recommend scraping and mixing everything that has settled on the sides so you don't waste anything and incorporate it all. All right, good. Okay. Now I grease it with butter.
Mold.
Well, all over the surface. Now I add a bit of flour and I make it stick to the butter. Oh, I pour in the mixture. I level it well. Even if everything is already fine, just to be sure, I give it a quick check.
And then I put it in the oven already nice and hot and bake at 180 degrees using the conventional setting for at least 45 minutes. No, you were about to ask me if you want to bake the ciambellone in a convection oven, lower the temperature by about 10 degrees to check if the ciambellone is cooked. Use a toothpick after 40-45 minutes. Quickly open the oven and poke the ciambellone with a toothpick or a skewer. Preferably a long skewer. If you don't have one, try with the prongs of a fork, but you won't be able to go too deep. And if the skewer or fork comes out clean, that means the ciambellone is done. If there's some batter sticking, it means it needs to bake a little longer. Here it is.
Look here. Now I'm adding a bit of powdered sugar. And it's super soft. Let's see. Really, it's super soft.
Oh my, make it and let me know what you think in the comments below. For now, I'll say goodbye, and as usual, before I leave, let me wish you bon appetit.